Alright, real simple encryption routine that I've written that obscures the contents in this flash EEPROM. So if that EEPROM was taken to another board without the encryption, these fonts here that are stored in this flash EEPROM would show up obscured like that. So it's basically like a small simple encryption function routine that I wrote from scratch. It just obscures the contents as soon as you tap once more. It unobscures it. I've basically written a function to incorporate this encoder push to either enable or disable the decryption routine. So, yep, the decryption routine is now disabled, so the display is all garbled, and it's obviously the decryption routine is enabled. It's just a first draft attempt at it. It seems to be working right so far, so we'll just make it a bit more robust and tidy. But yeah, cool, works.